When there are different versions of Excel within the same office, compatibility problems can occur when users are sharing workbooks and sheets. Before we look at how to mitigate these issues, let's first explore the two loss levels of functionality and the common formatting that may be reduced or lost. Common issues that can cause significant loss can be triggered by exceeding the row or column limit of older versions of Excel, or using a feature in a newer version which didn't exist in an older version. Charting compatibility issues will always cause a significant loss of functionality, as will some sorting and filtering features. Next, we have issues that can cause a minor loss of fidelity. These issues are typically caused by formatting issues, including the lack of support for certain colors, unique fonts, or newer styles. We saw sorting and filtering can cause a significant loss of functionality, but it can also be classified as a minor loss of fidelity as well. It can be tough to know what is going to cause a compatibility issue, let alone to what extent. To help you mitigate compatibility issues, you can use the compatibility checker prior to saving your files. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. To check for compatibility issues, select File, click on Info, and then check for issues. This is followed by selecting Check Compatibility. We now have a list of the significant loss of functionality items, and there are several here, and then the minor loss of fidelity. Right now, this is for all versions of Excel if I don't need to save this. In an older Excel 97 to 2003 version, I can uncheck that. And when I do that, you'll notice that some of that functionality is no longer affected. Let's assume our office has at least Excel 2010. I can uncheck Excel 2007 and we'll notice that we now no longer have any compatibility issues. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Next, we're actually going to save the file as an older file. Select Save As, and I'm going to select Excel 97 to 2003. I really do hope nobody in your office is still using a version that old. And then select Save. I already have an older version saved, so I'm going to select OK. And as before, the compatibility checker will pop up for us. You'll notice the difference here now being is you don't have the option to select the versions. If I'm okay with this, I can select Continue and our workbook will be saved in that older version, allowing the users with older versions of Excel to open it again, keeping in mind that they may have some loss.